So when we think about this business, as I've been running the business here for 7 years, there's really a key thing about A&M. We love working primarily business to business for people that make money with what we do. So commercially being very viable in market niches that really are underserved or not served at all. One of our fortes is innovation. We were just awarded by the Florida governor last weekend with the Sterling High Performing Innovation Award, because we tend to look at what the market needs that we want to build, using our fiberglass technology to do so. So when you think about our 4 divisions, we will have houseboats, we'll have the U.S. Coast Guard certified boats, we'll have the non-COI, but any number of lines, and then the Lancercraft line. So what we have is a high-performing work system that can flow to the work between those 4. We have a workforce in Alachua that will really grow and develop skill ourselves and the leadership thereof, but we'll have a group of people very proud of doing what we do and doing it well.